Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to flush a Jeep JK radiator. Park on level ground, let the engine cool, and disconnect the negative battery cable before starting. Open the radiator cap and the drain petcock, then drain into a pan. Flush with distilled water until clear, then refill with the correct coolant mix and run the heater to purge air pockets. Gather tools and supplies before you start to avoid interruptions. You will need a drain pan, hose or garden water source, distilled water, new coolant, and a funnel. Also have gloves and safety glasses, plus a torque wrench or pliers for hose clamps. A coolant tester helps confirm the antifreeze ratio and boiling protection. Start by removing the radiator cap and opening the petcock to drain the old fluid. Close the petcock, then backflush with a garden hose until water runs clear. Reinstall the petcock, fill with the correct 50/50 coolant mix, start the engine, and run the heater to remove air pockets. Check for leaks and top off the coolant after a short.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.